Kids, today we are going to visit the zoo. This is a candy shop where the kids are buying candies.
And on his farm he had
Let's go to the zoo and find some animals.
here and a there, here and
Oh, what animal is that? It's a gorilla. What is he doing? He is playing baseball. Do you know what's the baby gorilla called? Infant.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here and there.
Hello, little fox. They are very quick. Do you know the name of baby fox? Pup.
Old MacDonald had
What animal is that? A panda. They are very lazy. They eat grass and bamboos.
here and a there, here and there.
Do you know what's the name of baby panda? Cub. Come on. Let's meet the tiger. They are very strong animals and their teeth are very sharp. Do you know what the baby tiger called? Cub.
Here and a there, here.
Oh, what animal is that?
MacDonald had
Kangaroo.
E-I-O.
They have very good eyesight and they move by hopping.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Do you know what's the name of baby kangaroo? Joy.
Sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a
What animal is that? Elephant. It is the biggest and largest animal on land.
old MacDonald had a farm.
Do you know what's the name of baby elephant? Calf. Hey, what animal is that? Rhinoceros. It is famous for its large horn.
Had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Do you know what the baby rhinoceros called? Calf.
Everywhere old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hello, noisy parrots. They have very strong beak.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Parrots love to eat fruits.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Hey, what animal is that? Deer.
E-I-O.
They eat grass, leaves, and plants. Do you know the name of baby deer? It's Fawn.
Farm he had a dog. E-I-E.
Oh, kids, you all know this familiar animal. Lion. He is known as the king of the jungle. Do you know the name of baby lion? Cub.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his
Hey, what animal is that? Giraffe. It is the tallest animal in the world. They eat leaves and plants.
E-I-E-I-O.
Do you know what the baby giraffe called? Calf.
Old MacDonald had
Hello, Humpy Camel. Camel is a big and useful animal. It is called the ship of desert.
and a there, here, there.
Do you know what the baby camel called? Calf.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
So kids, how was your visit to the zoo? Hope you enjoyed it a lot. See you in the next videos.
E